I ran the real numbers on gas, hybrid, and electric cars in America, and the winner isn't what you think. Most people assume electric saves the most money, but when you factor in the upfront cost, insurance, and charging infrastructure, hybrids actually come out ahead for most Americans. Unless you drive over 15,000 miles a year, then electric starts to win. It all comes down to how much you actually drive. At first glance, electric cars seem cheaper to run, hybrids promise better fuel efficiency, and gas cars have the lowest upfront price. But the real cost? It's more complicated than you think. Let's start with gas cars. They're usually the cheapest to buy up front, which is why many Americans still choose them. But fuel costs add up fast. If you drive around 12,000 miles a year, you could spend $1,500 to $2,500 annually on gas, depending on prices. Add oil changes, engine maintenance, and repairs. Long-term costs start rising quickly. Now hybrids. These combine a gas engine with an electric motor, meaning better fuel efficiency, often 40 to 60 miles per gallon. That can cut your fuel cost nearly in half compared to gas cars. Maintenance is also lower since the engine works less. But hybrids cost more upfront. You're still paying for gas. Then there are electric vehicles, EVs, no gas at all. Charging at home can cost the equivalent of $500 to $800 per year, much lower than gas. Plus, fewer moving parts means less maintenance, no oil changes, no exhaust system. But the catch? Higher purchase price and charging infrastructure still matters depending on where you live. So, which one saves the most money? In the short term, petrol cars are cheaper to buy. In the midterm, hybrids offer the best balance. In the long term, electric vehicles usually win on total cost, especially if you drive a lot. So, what would you choose? Petrol, hybrid, or electric? Comment below and follow for more on Drive America.